Vishal, Kamine is perhaps the best reviewed film of the year. It's also open to packed houses everywhere. Now, when you were making this very dark, very complex tale, did you imagine a response like this, or were you afraid that it may not connect?
You know, while making, I didn't feel like that it won't connect. While writing, I thought that, yeah, you know, everything is written because instructions are written in paper. When we were shooting it, so we all knew that, you know, that things are happening like this. When we started editing and things went beyond paper and beyond
when
camera.
You saw it.
That time I realized that this is because we were very subtle while we were writing. We became more subtle while we were shooting. And in edit, you know, that first time I had this fear in my belly that, my God, it may not communicate. But there was no other option, and I thought that now, since I have opted for this, I should have thought of it while we were deciding about the film. So then I threw that fear out. Let's go all out and make this film. Let's not
compromise.
Let's not compromise anymore. I think that confusing element of the film became the power of its telling. Had it been like a spoon-fed kind of treatment, I think it would have been a very, very boring film. Because if you see, it's a very simple story. There's no complication. It's a very regular story.
Now, we had some very interesting reactions from our viewers.
आपने ओमकार में सैफ को लिया और इस मूवी में आपने शाहिद कपूर को लिया।
एक लवर बॉय का रोल करने वाले हीरो को आपने नेगेटिव रोल के लिए लिया।
He's done all romantic stuff, a chocolate boy stuff, but
why did you choose Shahid in a double role?
तो मीन्स ऐसा क्या कॉन्सेप्ट आपका है कि आपने दोनों में मतलब नेगेटिव रोल्स में ही दोनों पर्सन्स को आपने लिया है?
What is in my mind? Nothing actually. You know, we are working out the characters. We are not working out roles for the stars.
You're not looking to specifically break images.
Iago was written by Shakespeare like that, and I just adapted it from Shakespeare.
But how did you cast Saif, who until then was, you know, very much a romantic hero, like Shahid was until this film?
To tell you the truth, when I narrated it to Amir and I told him this Langda Tyagi character, he said, "I will do it. Promise me that you are going to wait for me." And I told him I can't wait because I have to make this film now. But then I realized, if Amir can get interested, then I can get somebody else also interested in this. That's how I approached this.
And how did you think of Shahid for something he's never done? We don't even see him in a sort of gritty space at all.
Yeah, because of his chocolate boy image, I thought that I saw Jab We Met and I found his performance extraordinary. I think Kareena तो अच्छी थी ही, पर करीना के लिए लिखा हुआ रोल था वो. It was, you know, कि आपको पहली बार देखेंगे तो आपको करीना अच्छी लगेगी उसमें. I thought कि this is the time for me to grab hold of Shahid.
Was he at any point in the shooting ever afraid? Did he ever say, this is too dark, let's not go there?
नहीं.
He didn't hesitate at all?
No, that वो script में ही सब कुछ था.
Once he signed on, he was all there?
Yeah. He had no other choice.
I love the music of the film actually, you know, it's simply superb. I really wanted to ask you, how did Dan Tennant come into your mind?
I love music. I'm a music director first. In fact, I became director to, you know, feed me as a music composer. I wanted to have romance. Usually capers, they don't have genuine romance.
Tuba.com